viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. So today we have Mr. Ankit with us from Samptel. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you.
Can you just let us know about Samptel and the products you are offering in this REI 2025?
We are Samptel Energy Private Limited based at Ahmedabad, Gujarat. We are a leading manufacturer and exporter of solar AC and DC distribution box as well as a SWAM box like a solar BOS kit. We have STEL, our own SPDs, and we have utility scale ACDBs and DCDBs. We are manufacturing since last 2017 from Ahmedabad.
Any exciting product or innovation planned for this year?
Yes, we have SAM box which are used in particularly PM Suryagar Yojana 1 to 10 kilowatt residential segment, as well as we have utility scale solar 800 volt ACDBs which are used particularly in solar Kusum Yojana.
What technology are you using in your products?
We have used as per IEC standards products like ABB LNT switchgears which are certified by TUV and IEC standards. Which are mostly used in utility scale as well as residential. We are also following the government of Indian policies and government Indian's data sheets and specifications.
How do you see the Indian solar market?
As per the Indian solar market, our PM Mr. Narendra Modi has got initiative that we need to incorporate solar industry, solar parks and solar industries across the India, like Har Ghar Solar Yojana, right? So across pan India, we have so many roofs are available in the Indian markets, like residential, commercial, industrial segment. So India is a good opportunity in the particular solar market across the India, and we are happy to cater in the Indian market.
What are your plans for the distribution of products and the expectations from the government?
Okay. Right now we are open for distribution in the entire state like Maharashtra, Gujarat, MP, Rajasthan and some part of northern region like Delhi, NCR, UP, Bihar and some part of south like Karnataka, Hyderabad and Kerala. We are open to give distributorship to the solar industry players.
That's great, sir. Thank you so much for being with us and all the best for the upcoming projects.